For under $200 a month, you can have a single axle travel trailer that you can take anywhere in the country. And we're gonna go check it out. Let's go. All right, we're gonna start off with the interior and we're gonna work our way outside. All right, coming in, this is gonna be your sleeping area. It is a queen size bed and above it is a shelf where you can put your belongings here. Now you do have a light. It is just a click on, click off light. Notice the design they have here on this wall and it's kind of like an accent wall, if you will.
We don't want boring RVs around here.
No, we don't. On this wall, you can have your TV here, outlet, you can put cable, and then additional outlets over there. This opens up and you can have your things right in there, and that way they're not, you know, mangled.
Little magical storage.
Nice and safe in here.
I'm gonna keep my warm socks in there.
On this wall, we have a window with some curtains that you can, of course, close that up for privacy. In the kitchen, we have sorry, this is the first thing I saw, so I pointed to it.
What is that?
It is a, what is it called? A paper towel holder.
Fancy. This thing's got everything.
Yeah. It's a smaller kitchen, but you have this counter space here, and then a sink, a window, they call it.
Windows, that's what the kids call it nowadays.
And then your shades can go down for privacy. Outlet here. Light that clicks on, clicks off. A 2-burner stove top. So above here is going to be your storage. You can even put in a shelf here and put your cups and plates down below. Little microwave here.
Put it for cooking pizzas.
Yeah, and popcorn.
It even has a pizza button.
They all do. Wow. Is that a surprise? Your thermostat is going to be here on this wall. Fan above here as well as your light. Down below is going to be more storage.
It's small, but you know,
this is good for pots and pans. Look at that, drawers, utensils and things like that. And then of course our fridge. This is a big size fridge actually for a unit like this.
It's actually very big.
That is...
Most of the time you get these little mini fridges, enough for one soda pop.
Yeah, literally. Pantry, this goes deep, you guys. Like I'm sticking my whole hand and touching the wall. That's crazy. That's a lot of, and then this, what?
So you can probably do longer stays with this thing. Just have as much chips and salsa as you need.
And if you're a couple that wants to like full-time and you want to dip your feet in, this is like a fantastic unit to do that in. Because you have all the things that you know, need necessarily. You have a window here, a dining booth style table above your additional space. And then they give you these bins here. Or you can even take them out and have something else there. Maybe some books, maybe a decoration that you want to put up there.
So this is kind of cool because the Auroras, they have lots of different designs and this is a newer one. So it's nice. There's, oh, look at that. That comes apart.
It does. It does come apart.
This is exactly why it was nice.
Really cool. And it is, oh wait, they have it.
It's screwed on.
They have it screwed on. We'll try the other one.
When you buy it, you can unscrew it. But that is storage, guys. That is storage. Great for keeping like all kinds of books.
Before you say that, it is not storage. There is actually this thing here.
Oh, that one's not storage.
This is not storage.
The other side is storage.
Okay, now let's try to undo this guy. Oh my gosh, I got scared there for a second. I was like, please don't be screwed on. It's just really brand new. There you go. Canned foods, clothes that you're not using often, maybe some boots that you're, you know, just using for hiking and stuff like that.
Bag of potatoes. It's a perfect place.
Yeah, so that's gonna be great for long-term stuff that you're not really in need of using. This also goes down to, see these ledges right here? You can make that into a bed if you have a child here that needs to, maybe not a full-grown adult, or maybe a shorter adult.
Full-grown child?
Yeah, full-grown child can go here, and this can be made into a bed. All right, now we're gonna check out the bathroom, which is right behind me. All right, as you open the door, there's a hook here for your towel. And you're like, whoa, this is so spacious. Val, I think it's missing something. And it is. It's missing a sink. That's why it's so big and like spacious. Okay.
I was never a fan of sinks anyway.
Toilet here with lots of leg space. And then over here, you have these open shelving here, where you can put your towels and extra toilet paper if you want to, or maybe a cute plant. On this wall is gonna be your beautiful self. And shower. Now the shower is a little bit shorter. I am 5'5", so if you're 5'11", 6 foot maybe, this gives you a little tight in here.
Stick your head in the fan.
You can. It will give you maybe an inch and a half.
There you go. So
shower
extra.
curtain. So that is the bathroom. Now, I want to show you this really cool nifty thing. It is an AC unit. Wow, really cool. No, but it also has a heat pump, which means that you are saving on that propane and is more efficient. But before we go outside, I want to show you guys some specs. All right, the hitch weight is going to be at 432 pounds. Gross weight is at 4,432 pounds. Your dry weight is at 3,105 pounds. Exterior height of this bad boy is going to be 10 feet and 1 inch. Gray water capacity is at 30 gallons. Fresh water is at 38 and black water is at 30 gallons. Let's go check out the exterior. Now coming outside, from your entryway, you have a 10-foot awning here with an LED strip light that goes all the way across. And you also have JBL speakers, and it is wired for solar. So that means you can take this bad boy off grid while listening to amazing tunes. All right, so now.
Nice little show. Missed the dog leash, guys.
Yeah, they are doing this in all the Aurora lights, which is so convenient. Just chain up your dog and leash up your dog.
Leash up your dog. Well, if you have a big dog, you need a chain. Yeah, there you go. Your dog will not run away. That's what she meant.
Yeah. It is prepped for your backup camera, and you have a ladder that you can potentially go up to see the roof and see what's going on over there. Electrical here. So it is a single axle. You do have a tankless water heater. You have your running lights here on either side, which has a really cool look to it. Single propane tank, and storage is right here. So you can store your larger items here, and it kind of goes out here.
Like a chair, grill or something.
Yeah, it's not just a single thing. It actually goes past this. So you're gonna have a little bit more space in there. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. The coolest part of all is that if you buy this through Blue Compass, you get these amazing perks. Buying any RV from Blue Compass gets you the RV Complete VIP membership, which includes unlimited towing, windshield repair, and your very own RV tech, as well as other amazing benefits and exclusive Loves discounts. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.